So amazing! Jericho, tuwang-tuwa na naging part siya ng buhay at taong 2024 ni Janine. Kamakailan nga ay nagbahagi ang multi-awarded actress at kapamilya star na si Janine Gutierrez ng recap ng kanyang taong 2024. Ayon nga sa naging caption ng dalaga, "My dream year. Thank you. Endlessly 2024." Agad namang nagkomento si Rufa Gutierrez ng happy emoji at sinagot naman agad ito ni Janine ng "I love Rufa. Love you." Nagkomento rin ang rumored boyfriend ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales at sinabing, "One is very glad to be part of your 2024. Cheers to a more mind-blowing year ahead." At sinagot naman agad ito ni Janine ng @Jericho Rosales Official ng heart emoji. Pinagkaguluhan din ito ng fanay ng Econin ang naging post na yon ni Janine at ayon kay Nicolas 13 @Jericho Rosales Official. "Thank you so much for the love and care of our sunflower Baba and for being proud of her. A blessed and blissful year to both of you and your family. Econin forever. Love you both." From Milan. Wow, @Jericho Rosales Official. "Wow, my Econin." @Jericho Rosales Official. "Happy New Year. Econin, we love you both." @Jericho Rosales Official. "Happy New Year, Econin. More projects to come this 2025 to both of you. We love you, Econin." @Jericho Rosales Official. "Same, very glad to be part of #Econin Babies." @Jericho Rosales Official. "Happy, healthy and safe New Year. So happy for you and Janine and also happy for Irish. Good news, you are my forever handsome idol." @Jericho Rosales Official. "Thank you for loving Janine sincerely and wishing that the year 2025 will give you both more blessings and happiness. Love you both." @Jericho Rosales. "Hope you always be part of her 2024 forever. Forever, forever, forever." @Jericho Rosales Official. "Love, Econin. Here's to an awesome, peaceful, healthy, joyous, and more projects for the years ahead to both of you." @Jericho Rosales Official. "Hoping you and Janine forever." Inagaw na naman nitong si Irish ang taon. "Happy New Year, Ate Love. Love seeing you happy and blessed this year to many more next year." Pahingi naman nga ng calendar. Char. "Ako, love kita. Nini, forever my idol. Plus, Echo. Dream year. Happy New Year and God bless you more. You deserve it all, baby. Love you. This 2024, I became your fan. Sobrang galing mo, Irish. Goals of living life and looking amazing." Ito lang naman ang ilang naging komento ng kanilang tagahanga at in fairness talagang lantara na ang relasyon ng Econin at talagang kasama na si Jericho sa mga recap at videos ni Nini sa taong 2024 na talagang so amazing and unforgettable moments niya. Nakaka-happy. Happy rin ba kayo sa nakita nyo sa Econin? Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.